Welcome to this video on how caffeine affects your work performance. Caffeine is a stimulant found in many beverages such as coffee, tea, energy drinks, and soda. It is consumed by millions of people worldwide to help them stay awake and alert throughout the day. In this video, we will explore the effects of caffeine on work performance and provide some tips on how to use caffeine effectively to enhance productivity. 1. Caffeine and alertness. Caffeine is known to increase alertness by blocking the effects of adenosine, a chemical that makes you feel drowsy. By inhibiting the activity of adenosine, caffeine can help you stay awake and focused, which can improve your work performance. Studies have shown that caffeine can improve cognitive performance, including reaction time, attention, and memory. 2. Caffeine and mood. Caffeine can also affect your mood. It is known to increase the release of dopamine, a neurotransmitter that regulates pleasure and reward. This can make you feel more motivated and satisfied with your work. However, excessive caffeine consumption can also lead to anxiety, nervousness, and irritability, which can negatively impact your work performance. 3. Caffeine and physical performance. Caffeine can also affect your physical performance. It is a popular ingredient in many pre-workout supplements because it can improve endurance, strength, and power. However, excessive caffeine consumption can also lead to dehydration, which can negatively impact your physical performance and overall health. 4. Caffeine tolerance. It's important to note that caffeine tolerance can develop over time. Regular caffeine consumption can lead to a decreased sensitivity to its effects, which means that you may need to consume more caffeine to achieve the same level of alertness and performance. This can lead to a cycle of dependence, where you need caffeine to function properly. In summary, caffeine can have both positive and negative effects on work performance. It can improve alertness, cognitive performance, and mood, but excessive consumption can lead to negative side effects. To use caffeine effectively, it's important to consume it in moderation and be aware of its potential side effects. If you're struggling with fatigue and low productivity, caffeine can be a helpful tool, but it's not a long-term solution. Other lifestyle changes, such as getting enough sleep, exercising regularly, and eating a healthy diet, can also help improve your work performance. Thanks for watching, and we hope you found this video helpful. Please don't forget to like and subscribe.